Hi public, welcome to Reflect Tech YouTube channel. This video discuss about by 9 tips for Reddit marketing that Redditors want had. So let's start my video. 9 tips for Reddit marketing that Redditors want had. Reddit marketing is tricky for brands to get right hairs and promote your audience without going roast. Table of content. Is Reddit a good platform for marketing? Tips for Reddit marketing the Redditors want head. For Reddit templates, brand that get it. IMO the L is not all brands need Reddit marketing CMV. No ideas what I just said. You got a lot of learn about Reddit and what it can do for you. The Kingdom of Cynicism and originators of the Ask Me Anything post Reddit now offers many business-friendly features like advertising while still retaining its old school forum roots. Reddit is often first in marketers' minds, but for the type of businesses can really pay off. Here's how to know it's Reddit marketing it's right for your brand. Examples to get started that won't get your roasted. IMO is my opinion. Alice explained like I'm 5 years old. CMV changed my view. Is Reddit a good platform for marketing? Reddit is interesting as a redditor myself. It take pride is being part of a social platform known for its often humor-driven niche communities is called suburban. Redditors have a reputation as being a bit of thought crowds, but generally are a collection of real down to earth people mostly who don't so easily or judge a book by its cover except on a terrible book cover naturally. That's another things about Reddit. There's a separate for everything including things that probably should exist. Then she do you friend. To explain Reddit in a nutshell, it's a driven platform where people come to discuss the things their position that connect with other like-minded people. But it's Reddit where you should can market your business. For many brands, that answer is reading yes for the authentic connection, the brand equity you can build. For other organizations, we are a bit more like central banks, the World Health Organization. Reddit and marketing probably is nothing. Uptowns dominates total karma scores. Sold Apex and Reddit more than our in 2024. Tips for Reddit marketing that Redditors want head, learns and learn. Before you're clicking likes in it post, take a good look around the norms and until the fully fully understand this post. Use Reddit for social listening. Reddit is a treasure trove of valuable insight from your target audience. When your people are considering a purchase, they turn a Reddit to ask for help. Automatically scamming over 2 billion sources every month, including Reddit. Use the data you gather from social listening to inform adjust your social media marketing strategy, including how to you show up and market your business on Reddit. Having social listening built into Horseshoes makes everything you need to more books and free demo to see this future action. While Horseshoe listening include Reddit, you can also install a Reddit Horseshoe app to manually search keywords or expand Horseshoe native streams functionality with the Snapview app to monitor hashtag and competitors across Reddit, Pinterest, Instagram, and YouTube. Avoid being too promotional. People edit the rewards Reddit the end of their Google search queries 32 billion times in 2023 because they want a trusted second opinion before they buy. So instead of pushing the promotion content, focus on encouraging real to everyone and get people talking about your brand and product. Engaging with customer without pushing hard sales. Share your expertise and reap the rewards. People comes to in the industry or product relevant subreddit to learn something or get advice to their best strategy to support sales on Reddit. It's to find niche subreddit related to your product or service. Hang out there are generally drop in helpful tips where you can not to track and call to action at the spot simply because you want to help. Helping offer build community build trust. As redditors preferred advertisers pick a niche, dig into your find tactics. Sharing helpful content on Reddit also comes with a mega SEO pairs Google and its average visit time to almost 90 minutes. Use a personal account and build karma. One of the most effective Reddit marketing strategy is to simply promote your business from a personal account. This comes back to being a redditor at heart. If you are enjoy being and Reddit are upon on the lingo, they are genuinely trying to discuss things with other that's going to come across where your past comment contribute to brands and supplement with the same personal accounts. At first glance to other readers, this looks less overtly promotion than a brand name jumping is to response to post. However, as with most things, the qualifier to your content matters so much more than your name. If you focus on being genuinely helpful, people will respond positively to your whether you're used to personal account to brand name and build community too. Encourage our employees who are already redditors to respond to post in your organization subreddits too. This helps build community and show your subreddit and active. The budget secret and building a strong community as a brand on Reddit is to be helpful, engaging the consistent deep and has such an active community because they answer post and provide help, but always customers love getting roasted by deep ends. Use Reddit ads. Building a community not your things. You don't have to run a subreddit. Successful Reddit marketing can be done the old-fashioned way, paid advertising. Current Reddit ad formats include text, promote, post, image, video, product, or sell, and AMA ads in feed as well as conversation ads in comments, threads. There are verified audience targeting option like other run and specific subreddits. People start reading an ad and get hooked before they even realize it an ad. Reddit's ad can also feature large immersed images or videos which still looks like organic posts but offer the spicier way to capture attention. A bold graphic with a strong headline, your best bet an image ad. Check your Reddit ROI. Reddit marketing ROI can be thought to measure accurately before you can or try. You need to know what your goals are. Marketing strategy is performing. Be open and honest. Reddit is all about discussing while you should aim to be open and honest across all your platform. It's of the utmost important on Reddit. Being open and honest is an important building blocks of any community. By replying to every post and comment you are separating are jumped by tricky online interaction. For Reddit example for brands that get it, mind mobiles customer driven red habits. Mini mobile subreddits has over 42,000 members, is very active and yet is not officially run by the brand. Customers create it themselves and seeing its impact. Mint Mobile employees regularly contributes new posts and responds to comment. While many posts center around it support, customer also shared positive news like the free bracket post above, which is great brand advocacy. Still, this strategy. See, there you can already customer led LED subreddit about a brand instead of cheating your own partner with them. For positive post with a photo or video, ask for permission to repost it all your social channel as user generated content. Some rush is actively involved in their official subreddit, regularly answer questions from customer and prospect. What makes the Reddit unique in the focus on education. The link detail how to guide in focused user informed. Skill this strategy. Reddit can be long form content channel regularly share things informative post. Sustainable clothing. There the manufacturer Patagonia puts and money where the mouth when it's come to supporting the environments and considered hosting an AMA as part of a launch strategy for a new product or events. iPad or app propagate goes the great length to engage their community of artists on the platform. Besides encouraging Reddit users to post their work, Progress offers the tagging system known as Flare on Reddit to browse different types of art and unique sprites and most easy to use dashboard try to outshoot free today. सो वैसे आज की वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। मैं मिलता हूँ आपको वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय।